Today we're going to show you how to access and use opposing viewpoints. We're going to start from the John A. Smith Charities Library main page, and we're going to scroll down to Library Resources and click on Research Databases. They're going to open up, and we're going to scroll down. It's alphabetically organized. We're going to go down to Opposing Viewpoints, and we're going to click the plus sign and then click Start Now. And welcome to Opposing Viewpoints, which is the premier online resource for covering today's hottest social issues. This cross-curricular resource supports science, social studies, current events, and language arts classes. Informed, differing views help learners develop critical thinking skills and draw their own conclusions. You also have issues of interest that you can access, which are the hottest issues being discussed right now. And in addition, you can browse all issues, and there are 480 available. Now, today, we're going to go in and we're going to browse issues that are on the main page, and we're looking at some of the top ones that are listed here, and we're going to look at food safety. So we're going to click that link, and when it opens up, it will give you information on food safety. It will give you a description, and in addition to the description, you can scroll down and see all of the viewpoints that are available on food safety, 134 of those, and you'll be able to see your references and infographics. And then you have your featured viewpoints, and there are 13 of those. Featured viewpoints are particularly important because there are special articles that were selected to be on this database. And we're going to open one of those. In this article, you'll notice that in addition to the article itself, you receive article commentary. This is quite helpful as it helps you to answer questions as you read along. And in addition to the article, you'll also see at the bottom of the page, you will always have the opportunity to source your site. You can select it, copy it, and paste it into your document. It also will provide you with related subjects. So you'll have subjects related to food safety. And you can also, at the top, there are more resources for you to utilize. So you can have highlights and notes. You can get a link. You can print this article. You can download the article. You can email the article to yourself or someone else. And as always, at the top, you can cite the article. It also tells you about the document type, the length, the context, and the lexile level. So there you have it. Opposing Viewpoints. This is an amazing resource for anyone looking for research for a paper or possibly debates. As always, we hope you use this resource, and happy searching.